Hey guys, first things first, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get stains out of my children's white clothes. As you can see, my son's uniform pants are a hotmess.com, and I'm using two things to get these out. So let's go. So the first key ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. Yep, you named it. And I'm just going to pour some in a baggie because you really don't want to mix this into a bowl, because then you're going to take any dish soap that you have and mix it together. And now that I have that in there, I'm just going to pour it all over his pants. Anywhere I see any stain, I'm going to pour it on there, and you just continue the cycle even if you have stains on the back. And I'm just rubbing my fingers into it because you really want it to smooth your fingers into those stains, because my son, I don't know what he was doing, but he was getting everything on these freaking white pants. Now I'm going to turn the water on cold. You want to make sure your water is cold when rinsing out this, because cold water for some reason works a little bit better when you have stains versus hot water. And right now I'm just rinsing out the peroxide with the dish soap. And then once I am done, I don't think I recorded it. I take a little bit of my detergent and I rinse it again just to make sure the peroxide and the dish soap is out of the pants, and I let it air dry. So in the next clip you'll see how it looks as I'm waiting for it to air dry. And this is how it looks. Look at the difference. OMG. The difference is amazing. You automatically see no stains. And if you look, remember there was like a orange stain right there. It's not there anymore. Even on the bottom, he had like dirt from the baseball field. Wow, I'm just like blown away. But I hope this video helped you guys. I figure I upload it because it's super short and it'll be able to help you when you have stains. So yeah, bye-bye.